this is for the men on right now. I used to have just such a very warped view of what manhood is. And I used to think that manhood was to be tough, strong, disconnected from your emotions. Don't let anything bother you, like the machismo. I'm untouchable. I realized that one of the best definitions of manhood, of full mature manhood, is to be powerfully vulnerable. And what that means is that I don't just become vulnerable and become a marshmallow, right? But I'm able to stand in my power while I'm connected to myself, to my emotions. And I'm able to communicate both and to still maintain being a man, but being authentic about how I feel. And that's the epitome of really walking in manhood, is to be able to do both simultaneously, not just to become one, not to become a wounded child and paralyzed, not to become so disconnected from emotions, nothing touches me, but to be able to do simultaneously. Now, I think that that also translates to womanhood too. But if I think about some of the movies that I love, I mean, I just have, some of these epic movies about manhood, like Braveheart or Dancing with Wolves, or, some of these great movies. What is it about the character that I love so much is that they were powerfully vulnerable. They were able to stand in their power and also be vulnerable at the same time. And that creates this connection, this love for them.